Misinformation. Let's talk about one of the great lies told during COVID. It's been repeated now here a number of times. This is not normal mRNA. This is modified. So of my five witnesses, who's best qualified to describe exactly what the mRNA was in these injections? Dr. El-Deiry.
So the mRNA is modified with pseudouridine.
Actually, I got that right.
This won the Nobel Prize a couple of years ago. And it was a way to make mRNA stable, because mRNA...
So it didn't degrade. This doesn't degrade in days. I mean, my staff is just, and we'll enter this study in the record, showed me the study that 700 days. It was studied and found still circulating in the body. So that's 700 days. That's close to 2 years. And they haven't extended the study beyond that. But go ahead.
So I think more research needs to be done about the mechanisms of persistence, but it was unexpected, along with a number of other things that were observed after the vaccines were rolled out. And so you mentioned biodistribution, the contaminants that you mentioned, DNA and some plasmids.
Including SV40, correct?
SV40 origin enhancer sequences, not the full SV40 sequence, but when the SV40 enhancer promoter sequences, if they find their way into the human genome, they can drive oncogenes.
So if they're contained in that lipid nanoparticle, and the lipid nanoparticle allows the transfection of the mRNA into the cell, this DNA contaminant can enter the cell as well, correct?
The lipid
certainly a possibility. It's certainly no clinical proof. Talk to me about that. I mean, is there literally ever definitive proof? This is, by the way, this drives me nuts as we talk to people in the FDA, the NIH, CDC that turned a blind eye toward the safety signals that were screaming at them, and they always go back to, well, we didn't have definitive proof.
So I will say that a number of different laboratories and scientists, including I think one at the FDA that published a report, and finding the DNA was not very hard. I mean, a bunch of high school students did it over the summer.
They did. It was high school students, correct? It literally was. I mean, they were using high school students.
And but the other scientists who found this and reproduced it in different labs with different vials published papers. Dr. Kevin McKernan, Dr. David Spiker, Dr. Jess Rose published a paper that looked at many vaccine vials over a number of years and documented high levels. And they compared Moderna and Pfizer lots and found much higher levels than the FDA threshold, which was developed or put into effect decades ago for naked DNA, not DNA that's wrapped in lipid nanoparticles that will take the DNA into the human cells.
Dr.